It's a great day at Equity. Today, let's talk about some ways to take advantage of the winter weekends with less daylight. Stay inside and upgrade your home. Here are some ideas for people who have just moved into a new home and want to make some quick changes, or someone who's planning to sell in the spring and wants to make some simple updates. Weather stripping around doors and windows. This is very simple and quick. Foam weather stripping is sold in many assorted sizes and thicknesses at your local hardware stores, so you can find the right size to fit all those odd cracks and corners that let drafts in. This can even help cut your heat bill by 20%. Declutter the garage. Garages are easy areas to store items that don't have a permanent place in the home, and this means they quickly become a catch-all. Hanging shelves and overhead storage can help get seasonal items and decorations up and out of the way. With larger items moved, you may even be able to make a dedicated space for tools using a wall rack or even a workbench. Just make sure to find studs for safe and sturdy shelf placement. Replace hardware in your kitchen or bathrooms. This is really the easiest way to upgrade and refresh your kitchen and bath space. It provides a big visual change for relatively little time and money. Take one of your current pieces of hardware with you when you shop for new ones, so you can be sure to buy the new handles with the correct sizes. Swap out your shower head. If your shower head drips, is out of date, or just doesn't fit your personal style anymore, why not install a new one? Changing a shower head is a simple home improvement task that requires plumber's tape, but no plumber. You can get a fresh look and, depending on the type of shower head you buy, reduce water usage, which places less demand on your hot water heater. Paint a small room or area. A small bath or fireplace can be painted in a day and will instantly add new character to your home. As with any painting projects, prep before you paint. Sand uneven surfaces, fill gaps and holes, wipe everything clean, and make sure you have a drop cloth on the floor for easier cleanup. Ask a paint specialist at your local hardware store what paint to get for what project. For example, if your fireplace is brick, water-based paints work better. And if you actively use your fireplace, you'll have to consider products that withstand high heat. In bathroom areas that have a shower, you need to consider how humid the room gets and look at higher gloss paints, as they have a harder finish that water doesn't get through as easily. There are so many projects to spruce up your home and add character and value to your space you love. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on similar topics.